In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless Tumbler wrap designs in Canva from ChatGPT images on Etsy. If you're creating printable Tumbler wraps to sell or use for personal projects, combining ChatGPT with Canva can make the design process much faster and more creative. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a seamless Tumbler wrap design, edit it in Canva, and prepare it for printing using a simple workflow. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Once you're on the main screen, click inside the message box at the bottom where you can enter your prompt. After clicking in the text field, open the Available Tools menu and select Canva. Once the Canva icon appears in the message field, you'll know the integration is active and ready to use. Next, type a detailed prompt describing the Tumbler wrap you'd like to create. In this example, the design is a seamless wrap for a 20-ounce skinny tumbler featuring a modern minimalist style with a cream-colored background, abstract black line art, organic shapes, and the phrase, "less noise, more peace." The more descriptive your prompt is, the more closely the generated design is likely to match your vision. After reviewing the prompt, click the Send button. ChatGPT will process your request and prepare the Canva design. When the design widget appears in the conversation, scroll down slightly until you see the large purple Generate Design button. Click it to begin creating the artwork. While the design is being generated, you'll see a progress indicator showing that Canva is preparing the layout. Once the process finishes, ChatGPT displays the completed design along with a three-dimensional mock-up so you can preview how the Tumbler wrap will look when applied to a product. Take a few moments to review the accompanying information, including the suggested dimensions and printing recommendations. After that, return to the mock-up preview and click the Edit in Canva button. This opens the project directly in Canva, where you can make additional adjustments if needed. Inside the Canva editor, use the Zoom slider in the lower right corner to inspect the artwork more closely. Zoom in to examine the fine details of the abstract design, then zoom back out to review the overall layout and ensure everything looks balanced across the full wrap. Once you're satisfied with the finished design, click the Share button in the upper right corner of Canva and choose Download from the available options. Continue with the default export settings and complete the export process. Finally, open the saved image in your computer's photo viewer and zoom in to inspect the seamless artwork one final time. If everything looks crisp and aligned, your Tumbler wrap design is ready for printing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,